Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 BYD Campervan is an electric vehicle that blends high-performance engineering with creative, fully functional interior design. This motorhome offers zero-emission travel without compromising comfort, style, or speed. It was built by BYD, a global pioneer in electric vehicle innovation. The performance, with a range of up to 700 kilometers, 435 miles between charges. The 2026 BYD Motorhome's dual-motor all-wheel drive electric drivetrain may provide up to 600 horsepower and instantaneous torque. With BYD's Blade battery technology, the RV can be charged to 80% capacity in less than 35 minutes. The driving offers stability, smoothness, and whisper quietness even at highway speeds thanks to its low center of gravity and intelligent suspension system. Outside design, a huge panoramic windscreen, sleek aerodynamic contours, and LED matrix lighting are all features of the futuristic exterior design. The RV's fully integrated solar panel rooftop and 22-inch aerodynamic wheels provide additional power. It looks modern and high-tech because of its eye-catching front fascia and the recognizable BYD lighting strip. Elegant interior design, you are greeted by an elegant yet ecologically conscious interior, including state-of-the-art smart home technologies and sustainable materials. The king-size memory foam bed, LED mood lighting, automated curtains, and a personal entertainment system are all features of the master bedroom. The noise-insulated walls provide the maximum privacy and relaxation. A touchscreen-controlled anti-fog mirror, a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a smart toilet with bidet functions are all part of the bathroom suite. Systems for clean water are powered by BYD's filtering technology. The living area is spacious and includes a 65-inch retractable smart TV, vegan leather couches, a workstation that folds up, and a panoramic glass ceiling that can be made translucent or opaque. Kitchen, fully equipped with a tiny dishwasher, a digital inventory managed refrigerator, a touchscreen controlled oven, and a smart induction cooktop. Countertops are made of reclaimed quartz. Climate and light control. Smart sensors allow you to control the temperature and lighting in your home. The main touchscreen, a smartphone app, or the voice assistant can operate everything. Features and technologies. Satellite internet and global 5G connectivity, a hidden garage for an e-bike or scooter, semi-autonomous highway cruising with BYD Intelligent Drive Assist, an integrated solar array for backup energy and off-grid support, an augmented reality (AR) windscreen for navigation and hazard detection, and an intelligent energy management system for economical power consumption. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is more than simply a car. It's an all-electric, luxurious mobile home that can be used independently. For modern travelers who are traveling across borders or camping off the grid, this RV combines state-of-the-art performance, creative design, and total eco-conscious luxury.